Aloha and welcome back to the saga that is my C8 bread rack build. As we left off, there were two different types of trays, so I had to drill out all the rivets, basically dismantle the whole thing and start over. After I widened the trays on the second tier, I decided to get rid of the angle aluminum and just use the floor of the C8 Corvette as the base for the second tier. So the yellow tape shows the floor that's very unusual in the C8 Corvette. These unusual tray holders were from an old bread cabinet, and they basically fit into a slot on the sides. That's why that weird bend is there. I was originally going to pound them out, but I decided to use that 1/4-inch angle iron, clamp them in my vise, and cut them off with my reciprocating saw. So here is a strip that has been cut off. I also shortened it to sit at the lower part of my rear hatch seal, and since it now rests on the carpet on the bottom, I no longer need that brace that I made to hold it in place. Now all 8 trays fit in, so we're good to go. And if it's slow, I even made a couple of pull-out pieces so I can fit my cookie rack on top. Well, that's the end of my journey for my C8 bread rack build. I'm going to do a live test tomorrow. If everything goes to plan, then I'm coming home and taking it out to powder coat. Of course, red. Aloha and stay safe.